Happy Monday morning, guys. Let's get to our movements. Morning routine. Here we are. Feet parallel, starting from our position. Flat feet. Moving them around, feeling the floor, and scanning the body from the bottom up. So ankles, calves, knees, pelvis. Feeling the body, placing everything where it belongs. Shoulders down, shoulder blades away from your spine, chin parallel to the floor, and reaching from the top of your head. Very good. In that position, inhale. Reach, exhale, in, reach, exhale, very good. And warming up the joints, elbows. Hope you had a great weekend. Shoulders. And change direction. So nice to warm up on Monday morning. 3, 4, elbows. And wrists. Very good. Open and clap. Allow your arms to swing. Let's awake the body. Very good. And now, as we open the arms, we're going to turn to the side. So open, 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 open. Very good. And twisting around, allowing the arms to swing. Feeling momentum, letting the body go, allowing the momentum to drive the movement. Very good. Waist, bending from the waist, side to side. Very good. Smiling. Big part of every exercise is your smile. Very nice. And circular motion from the waist. 3 and 4, change direction. 2, 3 and 4. Good. Moving the hips, legs stay straight. 2, 3 and 4, and the other way. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Good. Opening the hips, wide circular motion with the hip. 5 and 6, and the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Knees. Good, change direction. Excellent. Ankles. Change direction, same foot. Good, and now the other leg. And the other way. Good, shake, shake, shake. Quick water sip or coffee. My case today. Excellent. Working with the hips, pelvis restoration, right? So let's begin by just lifting the body, toes, heels, toes, heels. Both feet work together. Both feet toes, both feet heels. Couple more. Excellent. Bringing feet together and now one foot. Well, we've done it, right? So you know, heels, the other one toes. So heel and toes of opposite feet work, and the difference is absorbed in the hips. You start feeling this area too. It's getting warmer. Good. Now moving one foot slightly forward so the other foot is right in the middle. And same heel toes of opposite feet work. Good. Changing the position now. The other one foot, the other, oh my gosh, the other foot is forward. And the one which was forward is back, right in the middle. Very nice. I don't get to practice my English, I guess, often enough. Good. Shake your legs. Shake your legs. Getting into demi squat position. In this position, moving the hips side to side, drawing a line parallel to the floor, straight line, strictly side to side. Excellent. Good. Moving the hips forward, side, back, the other side, square. And now making a wide circle out of this square. Wide circle. That's it. Good. And square the other way. Side, back, side, front. And making a wide circle. Feeling every millimeter of the movement. Don't rush your body for the movement. Focus on the sensations. Use this moment to connect with the body. Good. And now we're moving hips side to side, drawing a smile. So if we did the line parallel to the floor, so this time it's a different movement. We're moving it side to side, but drawing a smile. Very good. Excellent. And one more break movement for the hips. So stepping forward. Both feet face straight forward right now. And again, we're drawing that circle, wide range, with in that position, right? With one foot forward. Very good. Change direction. Excellent. Now turn the front foot 45 degrees. So one foot facing straight forward, the other one is 45 degrees. And one more time. Circle in one direction. Go for the range of motion. Interesting movement. Do it, feel it, and change direction. There you go. Excellent. Push back, and now the other one. So foot forward, both feet are straight forward. Drawing a circle. Moving. Change direction. Look inside your body. See what's happening in your hip area. Good. Turn the foot in 45 degrees. Continue to draw the circle. Go for the range of motion. Feel, listen to your hips. Change direction. Very good. Excellent. Let go, shake, grab a mat. We're going down on the mat. All right, so we begin by doing exercises on the back. So get into the position where you lay down on your back. There you go. Okay, elongate the back side of your neck. Press your lower back into the floor. Feet hip distance apart, somewhat close to your body, your feet not far away, so comfortable position. Now working with the pelvis, we're gonna do the clock 12 and 6. So lifting 6 and 12, just one part. Very good. 6 and 12. Excellent. And now 9 and 3, right? 3, 9, and 3, and 9, and 3. Very good. Notice how your body reacts to it. Excellent. And now starting at 12, circle, right? Rolling the marble on the edge of the plate. Not drawing, but rolling that marble in a nice, wide, perfect circle. Stopping at 12 and changing, going counterclockwise. Only one small part of your pelvis is off the floor. One small part at a moment. Stopping at 12. Very good. Contracting your glutes, just gently lifting the pelvis off the floor. So it's more like a pelvis tilt, but like a very big one. So not a bridge, but the beginning of this movement, just lifting and contracting. Very good. Good. And now going for the full bridge all the way up. 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Lift 6, 7, and 8, and down, and press your lower back into the floor. Good. Bring your legs up in the air, 90 degree, lower one leg at a time, keeping your pelvis glued to the floor, just one leg at a time. Very good. Keep going. Keep the angle at your knee. And smile on your face. Beautiful. Couple more. Excellent. And now both legs at the same time. That's it. Uh-huh. Excellent. Feet down. One leg down, keeping both feet on the floor. Make sure the back of your neck is nice and long. Excellent. Both feet, both legs at the same time, both knees out. 2, 3. Feeling that warmth in your hips. Press your lower back into the floor. 8. Keep your knees out. Place your feet so one sole is against the other one. And maintaining this bend position of the leg, we're gonna work from your hips. Before you begin, elongate the back side of your neck. Press your lower back into the floor, elongate your spine. And now lifting the leg. 1 and 2. Very good. Excellent. Keep going. Elongate your spine. Remember to breathe. Nice. Good. Bringing both knees together, keeping them together, moving your knees to the side. Both shoulders stay. And to the other side. Knees together. And let's repeat 8 more. Don't rush, but still somewhat dynamic movement. Nice and gentle. Very good. Excellent. Beautiful. Press your lower back into the floor. I'm gonna work with one leg. So bring the leg in, out, extend, center, and only after you center the leg, making sure the knee points straight up, you lift it back. And so in that circular motion, we're gonna move the leg 8 times, keeping your spine elongated, face relaxed, with a gentle smile, or as usual, just smile with every cell of your body. There you go. Opening the hips, feeling it. Beautiful. 6 and 2 more. And 8. Very good. Bring it back and never leg. So in, out, in that wide position, extend the leg. And then through the center, bring it back. 2. Four. Very good. 6. 2 more. 7. And 8. Very good. Bring both knees to your chest. Excellent. So holding one knee, extend the other leg straight up, flex your foot, and we're drawing a circle with your heel, drawing a circle on the ceiling. Very good. Bring it back and work in the leg in that manner. So kind of pulling the foot to the center and then outside to the center and then outside. We're going to repeat this movement once we sit up, but right now let the body to feel it. And a gentler version. Good. Bring the other knee to your chest, extend the leg, and draw the circle with your heel. 3. Very good. Good. Lower and move the leg so the heel moves to the center and outside, to the center and outside. Good. And once, since we're in this position, bring your legs and arms up. Shake, shake. Squeezing in a lymphatic drainage exercise, which is always important. I strongly recommend you begin your every day just before you even get up. Lying down in your bed, just bring your legs and arms up and shake it a little. Very good. Extend the legs and arms. Stretch yourself. Very nice. Going on the side, we're gonna get come up and continue sitting. Time flies. Let me fix my hair. So we're gonna repeat this movement we just did up in, like in the air, but on the floor. So here you are sitting, right? Bend, moving the leg. Very good. It is a bit more intense in that position. I'm sure you can do it. With your knee bent and both sit bones are firmly on the floor, we're doing this movement. Very good. Extend. And the other leg. Excellent. Good. And extend. Now bring that knee in, step over, hug with the opposite arm, elongate your spine and pull the knee in, feeling the stretch in your hip. Twisting, looking over opposite shoulder at the same time. Very good. Beautiful. Extend the leg, shake. The other one, step over, hug, pull, twist. So on every inhale, elongate your spine. Make yourself a little bit taller. On every exhale, twist a little bit more. That's it. Mhm. Beautiful. Exhale. Center, shake your legs. And we'll do one more exercise. So place your legs so your calves are parallel to each other. Maybe I'll just go a little bit in that position. So absolutely parallel to each other, right? Good. As wide as you can. But don't bring your feet in. The tendency will be to bring your feet in. So keep it parallel. And now walking forward, sending the hips forward towards the floor. Walking back, trying to sit between your heels. And this is where the heels will want to kind of move together. Don't allow that to happen. One more time, walking forward, sending the hips forward. Very good. And back. Excellent. One more time. And back. Good. And now bring your heels together. Bring your knees together. Sitting on your heels. Relaxing the hips. Let's go into child's pose. Just letting go. Relaxing. Excellent. Roll your toes in. Push yourself up. Heels touch the floor first. Neck relax. And one vertebrae at a time. One by one. Building ourselves up. Finishing with this big wide shoulder circle. Excellent. Deep inhale. Hold your breath. Reach up. Exhale. Down. One more time. In. Reach up. Exhale. Down. And again. One. And two. And three. And four. Shoulders down. Pelvis tucked in. Chin nice and tall. And just like that, we walk into a new week, a new Monday. Have a beautiful day. I will see you shortly or on Thursday. And enjoy Monday, Tuesday. Enjoy every moment of your life. Remember to smile and breathe deeply. I'll see you soon.